there, home cooks! Today, I'm going to show you how to make some delicious lean turkey meatballs. These are a fantastic alternative to traditional beef meatballs. They're packed with lean protein and fiber, thanks to ground turkey and oats. All right, let's dive in. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Grab a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper, or give it a light coating of olive oil. Next, in a large bowl, combine 1 pound of ground turkey, half a cup of oats, 1 egg, and a quarter cup of grated Parmesan cheese if you're feeling fancy. Add in 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley, or a teaspoon of dried parsley. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and half a teaspoon of paprika. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Mix it all up until everything is well combined. Now, time to form the meatballs. Using your hands or a small cookie scoop, shape the mixture into 1.5-inch balls. Place them evenly spaced on your prepared baking sheet. For that perfect golden finish, lightly drizzle or brush the meatballs with a bit of olive oil. Pop them in the oven and bake for 18 to 20 minutes, or until they're golden brown and cooked through. You're aiming for an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. And there you have it! Enjoy these baked turkey meatballs with marinara sauce over spaghetti, in a meatball sub, or just as a tasty, protein-packed snack. Quick recap. Turkey is a lean protein. Oats add fiber and keep the meatballs moist, and the herbs and spices bring all the flavor without extra calories. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking! Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this recipe. Catch you next time.